Good morning, YouTube. Oh my gosh, it's Saturday morning and I have no business out yard sailing. So I'm not technically yard sailing, I'm running errands and I'm going to stay disciplined. The yard sale literally has to be in my path. If it's in my path, that's called a jump out, and that's perfectly legal. Like if you're heading to a wedding, you know, or picking somebody up, if there's a jump out, that you're able to do that. You're able to just slide right in, make it quick, get out, head on to your next deal. But again, I have no business out here yard selling. I'm so far behind on packing. It's not even funny. Turkey Foot is next week. I'm not even halfway packed. So hey, if you're into sticking around and watching a little bit of yard sailing, I'm going to show you the van. I'll show you where I'm at this point. Oh my gosh, there's a sale. I had to pull over. Check it out. If you're into this, I've got all kinds of stuff going on this weekend. I'll show you where my pack job is. I got errands to run. Tonight's Ron's birthday. We're going to take him to dinner. I got to squeeze in a spam timber video somehow. There might be some yard sale footage. There might not be. But anyway, if you're into it, stick around and let's do this. Nine. I wonder if they'll let me in early. We'll see. I'm a little early. Is it okay, or do you want me to?
Absolutely, we're still bringing stuff out.
You want me to hang out?
No.
Okay. I like this box. Probably a Sawzall. Router. Circuit. Ooh, nice box. I like that bag. What do we got in here? These are interesting. That's a bowling bag. I like this bag. All right, that was a okay sale. Super nice people. I got a couple nice just things to have. I got one kind of neat thing I'll show you. But let's go pick up Ron and we'll run some errands. Huh?
I have no idea.
All right. We got the gang. We got the band together. This looks pretty good. The clean phone. Oh, it's a UV telephone cleaner. Boy, I need that. Sleep sack. $15. It's a pretty good size one.
I'm gonna have her and 2 toddlers running around, driving me crazy. Aren't those cool? Yeah. Those were crazy money.
You should get your trails back going again. That was fun.
I know. It's just so much work.
It is.
I don't know if I'm getting old or what.
Yes and yes. Yeah, I love it. What's this spear thing?
Yeah.
That's cool. It's good to see you. Always good to see you. Yeah, it is.
Oh boy.
I know.
Trouble just keeps rolling in.
What have you been up to?
Nothing really.
Butter churn. What do we have in here? Oh, it's a little itty bitty guy. I like the case. Powerhouse. Thank you, Wayne. Appreciate it. This all your stuff?
Yeah, well, no, not all of it. No, some of it's my son's, and then my daughter-in-law's stuff up at the other end.
I'm liking it.
Some of this came out of a storage unit I bought.
Awesome.
So,
I'm sure I'm going to find something in here.
right?
Yep.
I'll be in the.
You quitting?
Yeah, I seen everything. I didn't see anything I wanted.
Okay. All right, I'll see you in the truck. These are kind of fun.
Yeah, but isn't that weird? Where's the knife? Yeah,
Probably still stuck with somebody.
Those look familiar.
Whoa. This looks like something for making arrowheads. Yeah, I think that's what this is. RC model. Bunch of cool stuff. Made slides of stone. I think these are fire extinguisher balls.
They are.
Wow, that's cool. Kegger pump.
Pretty sure.
You staying out of the trouble, lady?
I'm trying.
You trying?
It's not always easy.
It's not the
being married to
newspapers.
Wayne.
I know. You're not trying hard enough.
He knows I rather.
Oh, that is cool.
Look how good that is.
That's a cool
So that's
one.
like a $30 coin. With the solder, you can't get nothing on it because you can't get the solder off.
You couldn't?
No, I tried it. Boy, it just doesn't come off.
Because you've seen this
And
before?
then when you heat it, it leaves the coin. It tarnishes the coin. So like that's uncirculated. So you heat that up, and now it's all going to be black and
Sooty.
So yeah, so they just got hot.
Dang, that is terrible.
Yeah, they're really good.
Well, it's kind of cool, the art. Yeah, but
Still neat.
look at all
For a
this.
paperweight, but
Someone's been busy.
I thought, wow, that's
Gear
just,
shift knobs?
no, I think it was something probably
Some art?
like like
Paperweights?
the end of curtain rods or whatever. Holy crud! Look at that wedge of stuff.
Rest day as possible. If we get done early,
That's fun. That's fun.
with all the sales, then going to your house.
I think it's a watch case. Solar. Oh, it's a lighting thing. We're taking pictures, I think. Photography. That was a nice cot.
This is good. Super good.
You order it online?
No, honestly, I think I know what it will. Yeah. Okay, so last Christmas, yes, exactly. What do you guys? Okay, I did not realize you're driving. Yeah. Crazy. I saw that the other day. I was like, no way. I didn't know he was old enough to drive. What the heck?
Got a little parking lot sale. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, that was fun. Got Ron out of the house for a couple hours, picked up a few sales, ran into some characters I haven't seen in a while, which is always fun. Man, this area is getting competitive. There's a lot of people out here buying and selling. Just today, I ran across at least 5 people that do exactly what I do, and we're right on top of each other on the same sales. But, you know, it is what it is. Now, picked up a couple cool things and heading back to the house right now to unload, and let's see what we picked up. I'll see you then. All right, here's what we picked up. Couple things. I had to pay up. I did get this for $20. This is a full MSR kit. It is it's actually an old one. What do we have here? MSR Seattle, Washington on the bottom, and it's a good one. It's got this hoop here. It looks to be in good shape. Looks like it has a striker on it, and we're gonna have to give this a go. Looks like it has the bottle. Ooh, yellow pump. That's always a plus. This is a good deal. 40. I got it for 20. There it is. There's the stove, the pump, and the bottle. Get that out of the way. This is a really cool ladle. It's unmarked, but it's vintage, and I dig the way that it comes apart for stowage. I really like that. Definitely going to keep that. It's kind of a cheapo knife, but it's kind of cool. I think the lady followed me out to the van and gave this to me. Doesn't say China. It just says stainless on it. No, there says China right there. But this would be a cool little kitchen knife here. It's a nice little spatula here. What's that say? Ruko, Korea. Wooden spoon. A couple utensils. I think I'm going to hang on to this. And let's see what else we got in this box. Off the bat, look at this little bitty cold handle. That is a keeper right there. Love it. What's it say? National. Definite keeper. Little ooh. Ooh. What do we got in here? Mantles. That's empty. Oh, let's see. That one goes in here. That one. So we got one mantle. It's a pair. There's another two. Ooh, here's an old one. Ooh, I like that. And some matches. Ooh, some more. And maybe one more. That is a score. I love it. A whistle. What do we have here? Ooh, these are cord tie downs. I'm not sure exactly how to use them, but maybe I think that's what those are. Hang on to those. And we got some matches. So I'm gonna keep all this all together in this little kit right here. Definitely gonna keep that. Sig pot. Nice one. Set that off to the side, and then here's a little camp pan with the handles on it. Doesn't have it's Teflon, so you know it's newer. Those were together. I'd keep those together. And then here's another pot. That doesn't quite fit on there. Unmarked. But this looks like a Sig top to me. We'll see. Let's see what we got here. Here is a coffee pot. A nice little metal canister. Some cups. Yeah, I hope you've seen this. Optimus 99 right there. Haven't opened this up. We'll open it up later and check this out, but you know what's in here. That is a mega score. An absolute mega score. A pour over. Now I have these and I don't think I have the green one. I gotta check that out. To pay 10 for that. It's a little leather strap here. There's something in here. Pan and a frying pan. And what do we got in here? Another pot and a little miniature pot inside. It's a neat little kit. That's kind of cool. I don't know if it was worth $10, but I like how they've got it all kitted together here. Get that out of the way. There we go. Two more, a set of two. Sig, REI. Oh, they're stuck together. There we go. These are old, $2 brand new at the REI Co-op. And they're SIG Switzerland number 18 camp plates. Score. Mega score. Another pot. SIG. Now, I wonder if this other one, where did it go? Okay, yeah, I found it. Yes, and this one, okay, this one fits this pot, and it's a SIG. I bet you it nests in here, and then this one goes on here. Yep, these go together. There's 2 pots in this kit. Guess what? These 2 SIG cook plates fit perfectly on top of that. It just keeps getting better. This is interesting. This is like a bowl. It looks military. It's enamel. It's unmarked. It's kind of light, but I think I'm going to keep this one. This one's actually really cool. And the rest in here is just some lids, a couple of plates, and let me get this out of the way, and we'll see. I'll show you what the other stuff we picked up. The cool thing is just this box that it all came in. It was $15 for everything plus the box. However, that stove, those SIG pots, those were not in that. This was separate. This was separate. And this was separate. And this little pizza oven that I'm going to show you. It's a bread oven. And apparently this goes on to, she said it's stainless steel, and it goes on to the stovetop, and you can bake bread and make pizza on it. So we're going to see. I'm going to take this to Turkey Foot, and we're going to, absolutely. Not, this bag is what that stove came in, and it is filthy. But guess what? We're going to keep it. What I'm going to do, let me take this. I'm going to flip it inside out, and I'll show you. Alright, just take this with some simple green. It's mostly the bottom. Like so. Take a microfiber rag. All that soot off of there. There we go. One more time. Yeah, I mean, let's just take a little mini break and fire the stove up. I'm gonna get the soot off this bottle too. See if it cleans up. And it does. And let's put some fuel in here. That should do it. And my favorite MSR pump. And Gene, you had one of these yesterday also, and I commented on it. These I think were the best quality. And when you find one, you almost never find one roached. This one still has the tag on it from the factory, warning you that it's let me take that off. Yeah, it says warning, do not test the stove indoors or in a tent, it's hazardous. It's kind of cool that it's oh, let's go ahead and fire this I mean, we're already at it. Optimus 99, made in Sweden, with the original strap. That's always fun. And this is what we got. So far, so good. It's got the burner cap on it. Got a little pot grabber in here. Let's put some fuel in this one. And let's fire them both up, huh? Yeah. I don't want to talk, I'll spill. There we go. And I'm going to try a trick that Glenn or Mike, one of the buddies on here, showed me that you don't have to like try to pour the primer all the way down in that cup. I'm going to try the trick that oh, look at this, it even has a little windscreen. So pull this out and we are good to go. Lid looks good. We're going to get a double. We're going to do a double here. Let's see if this key turns. Yep. Okay. Get the MSR pump in here. Yep. Looks like it looked like the it's a little leaky. Get this turned off. Woo! I think it's gonna go. That was because I had the valve open. Let me see now that I have it closed. Turn it. Now I think it's gonna go. And boom. Just need to attach this and pump her up and go. Okay. That should be it right there. Right? Oh, maybe it's... No? No, the valve should be up. Oh, it's stopping right there. It's odd. No, there's only one way that this will be allowed to go on. And it's saying no. It's saying there, but it only goes in so far, and this latch won't go. Let me work on this. There we go. Okay, let's pump it up. Okay. These up. I'm going to give this a little primer action. What I like about this stove is it's got this hoop, this guy right here with the spring on it, and I think that helps maintain the heat coming into this stove, especially when it's really cold or if you're trying to simmer. It keeps this vaporized, and so that's unique for MSR stoves. I'm going to open this up a little bit. And there it goes. Whoop. Turn it down. There it goes. Look at that baby burn. I got my fan on over here. Let me go turn it off. All right, I got my fan turned off. Now look at this thing settling out. Look at that beauty. There it is. Great, great, great stove. All right, let's work on the Optimus. Now, this is what he was telling me, is that I should be able to pour right down through here, and it should, and it does. It fills that bowl down there. Thank you. I forget who it was. They just told me that tip. Remind me, please. I'd like to give you a shout out for that, because that was awesome. I've been trying to like work my primer, my dipper down into the bottom there, and you don't need to do that. All right, so with that said, oh, I had some spillage down there. Woo! That was spicy. There we go. Nope. I don't want you to burn under the tank like that. There we go. Come on. It's staying over by the burner now. Now look at this beauty. Look at that beauty. Okay, two for one. We'll give it just a couple more seconds of prime. Mostly just to get the flame out of the bowl. All right, here we go. Nope. It's trying. Wow. There we go. That's decent. Anyway, we'll let these babies burn for a little bit, and then I will go out and I'll show you the rest of the yard sale stuff. There's the little cold handle that was in that kit. Here is the MSR kit all cleaned up and tested. Let's fly through the last part here. This is a very old vintage trucker's hat, Oregon Coast. I kind of like grab that. I'm going to keep the silverware drawer that came out of that kit, that box. They did a really nice job on that. This is a diving, this is for cave diving. I looked this up, and this is a special reel. I think you tie this off, and if you're going to go into a cave, this follows you so that you can get yourself back. Pretty sure that that's what that is anyway. It's made by Dive Right. It's a very nice quality item. Brand new saw blade. Well, it's been sharpened. It's a Hitachi, and it is a carbon tipped, and it's been retipped or sharpened. I got this Rivel. I need to look this up, or Grivel, Grivel. They wanted 15. I gave them 10. Made in Italy. It's a ice axe. Kind of fun. And this is a 12 by 16 sunshade sail. Looks like you can tie it off. I don't know if it stretches or what, but kind of a cool little thing. I'm going to bring this to Turkey Foot and see if we can't get that set up. It's like a shade tent. And a little Patagonia pouch. I don't know what was in here, but it's kind of cool. Patagonia, maybe like a little mini iPad protector, but maybe I can find something cool to put that in. I like Patagonia stuff. Got this long Makita bag. I've ar something perfect to put into that. A little bitty folding table. Super jar. I got a really nice fly rod carrier. Montana, is that what it says? Montana Cork. Yeah, Montana Cork is the manufacturer. I'll have to look that up. This little doodad tray was $1. I love this little, I don't know what I'm going to put in this. I'm going to put something cool in it, but someone's made this bingo. Really neat little bingo case. We already looked at this. Got a compass. $2. It's metal. And it actually feels like it's a fairly nice compass, actually. These are 2 little LED light bulb doodad thingies. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. Maybe try to rig them up here in the camper, in the trailer. And then I got this power ad. It's a splitter for multiple USBs, and I was actually going to order one of these. This is going to go up front. And got a nice can opener. I always get these swing-aways. They're nice quality units. This is about a halfer MSR. Wayne, he gave me this. He always gives me fuel when I see him. Probably got maybe one more use. And I picked up this lighter. He wanted 15 for it. I gave him 10. He always takes care of me on everything, so I was glad to pay it. It doesn't say China anywhere on it. And the top, usually these, the lid, this is all washed out and sloppy. It's actually, a pretty quality one. So you'll be seeing me with this here pretty soon. Big old lighter. And last but not least is what I believe is an arrowhead maker kit. Someone's made this. There's the leg protector. This is a piece of horn. Here's a real heavy bopper here, and then there's 1, 2, there's 3 different picks. So anyway, that's kind of fun too. And last but not least is this nice little pry bar, little crate, cat's paw. All right, everybody. Well, that was fun. I appreciate you sticking around and watching the yard sale scores, and I'll see you next time.